Today I'm going to show you how much this handheld vacuum cleaner is a must-have in your household. Cute little unit to use around the house. No wall mount option for the charging dock. But I prefer my vacuums on the floor anyway, so I couldn't be bothered by that. You get this little thing on the side to hold your accessories. Once the device is charging, the LED light indicates it's charging by illuminating, and it turns right off once fully charged. No battery replacement, so once the cells are a toast, you could forget the entire thing. Nope. I got good news for you. This is what you need to do. If you notice any significant drop in times you get between charges and you're still within the warranty period, Black & Decker should replace the faulty cells. And if you're way past warranty, you're gonna have to develop handy skills. You're gonna have to disassemble the whole unit and replace all 4 18650 cells inside and solder them back together. But no worries, there are a ton of videos on YouTube demonstrating that. Getting in and out of the nooks and crannies in your car is made easy with this little crevice attachment. It's got a flexi hose and this nice brush attachment on the unit that pops out, and you could use it to go over those stubborn dirt. You can just kind of use it to leave dirt trapped under the surface you're cleaning before they get sucked up, or you can just leave it folded for surfaces that are flat like leather and similar materials. It's got this long carpet tool for you to be able to go around the house. The suction is more than adequate. You get a 15 minutes action time out of a full charge, which is around 4 hours. I'm not even paid for this, so I don't know why I'm helping Black & Decker push their products. You can empty the dirt by holding this device over a bin and open this door. And on the other side, you hold this button down, hold the other half of the device and twist. It's that easy. Just go ahead and pop the filter open. Some use old toothbrush to clean it up, some wash it under water. Just make sure you allow the filter to dry before a reinstallation. All in all, this is a great little compact tool that weighs little next to nothing. I think less than 4 pounds. That's 1.8 kilograms. And folds together after using it, which makes it much more presentable. I like that transparent design, that way you can see what you sucked in. And of course, this vacuum won't replace a powered one, okay? It's just something to use in picking up dirt between major vacuuming without having to lug that heavy, cumbersome old vacuum around looking for power socket to plug the damn thing into. And we all know they haven't built a vacuum that can climb up the couch, let alone get into all those hard to get to crevices. And good luck getting on top of your shelves with that heavy vacuum cleaner as well. With this though, our problem is solved. You spill some cereals, or maybe coffee bean, and seeds of any kind. No worries, this unit's got decent suction. I chose it over other handheld brands because of its operation time. 15 minutes as opposed to 6 minutes with Dyson. Plus its revolutionary design. I think it's a patented design because I dare you find any other handheld vacuum cleaner that has all these accessories and it can stand while vacuuming. I'll wait. 15 minutes operation time? That's enough to do all the wells, the seats, the trunk of your car, and still possibly have enough juice to go around the house when you get back. Just bear in mind though, batteries will definitely fail at some point, and unless you're ready to do some handiwork, this product might just not be the right one for you. But as for me, I'm keeping it, cause I'll find a way of replacing that battery so as to be able to keep my little cleaning device until death do us part. See, look, all the acting apart, I must admit I'm freaking blown away by the suction power of this unit, and it's just 18 volt. Oh my god. Like and subscribe and share this video to help this channel, and as usual, thanks for watching and see you in the next one. Today I'm going to show you how much this handheld vacuum cleaner is a must-have in your household. Today I'm going to show you how much all the acting apart. See, look, all the acting apart. See, look, all the acting apart. I'm not.